Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google Voice number step by step, and yes, you can get a free US phone number in just a few minutes. So if you want a second number for calls, WhatsApp, or business use, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what Google Voice is. Google Voice is a service by Google that gives you a virtual phone number. You can use it to make calls, send texts, and receive OTPs online. Before we begin, here's what you need. A Google account. A stable internet connection. And a US number for verification. I'll show a trick if you don't have one. Now follow these steps carefully. Open your browser and go to Google Voice website, voice.google.com. Sign in using your Google account. After that, select your preferred number from the list. Now verify your account using a US phone number. Enter the OTP you receive and confirm. Boom! Your Google Voice number is ready. And that's it. Now you have your own Google Voice number. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below if you have any questions, I'll reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.